If you guys are a 90's baby, then you should definitely know the Nanny. I remember I used to always stay up like on school nights just to watch it because it used to always come on at like 10 o'clock. So what I used to do is just turn on the TV real low and then have the Nanny playing. But my mom would always know that I was watching TV. So I was scrolling through Instagram and I saw this look that she wore. I can't remember what series it was, but I know that it was when they were trying to sign the prenuptial agreement. So I was like, this is so cute. I have to recreate it because I just love the Nanny. I'm obsessed with it. I've kept on watching it over and over again. So this was a pretty exciting DIY for me. So all you guys gonna need is some E60 glue, some candy wrappers, which you should have a lot of them since we're now in October and it's Halloween season. So you should have a lot of those left over. And all you're going to do is just find a really cute dress, which I actually have this dress from a long time ago. So I'm just going to be reusing it. And all I'm just going to be doing is gluing on the candy wrappers onto it. So in the beginning, I used the hot glue gun, but while I was doing that, the candy wrappers started melting, like the glue was just going straight through it. So I actually end up using the E60 glue. What I did not know was you actually have to put some kind of pressure on it and then leave it overnight for it to dry. So you can either use a book. I use some of my candles that I have since I love candles. Some cups, like anything that you have that's heavy, just anytime you glue it on, just leave it on top of it for it to dry. And you actually have to put it on a flat surface. If you do it like I'm doing it right now on the mannequin, it's going to keep on lifting up because you're not putting a lot of pressure onto it. So that's why it's best to just leave it on a flat surface and then just go over it with the glue and put a lot of pressure on it. And then you should be good. And then you actually have to cut up the candy wrappers if you want it to fit like all over. I don't know why I didn't do that. I kept on trying to figure like how I'm going to be doing up the top, like easy, just cut up the candy wrappers. I don't know why that didn't just come to mind. But I figured it out like way in the end. I started cutting it up so it can fit any empty spots that there was. So pretty easy. This is what I'm talking about, using heavy stuff. As soon as you glue it down, just put it on top of it so that it can dry. And with the E60 glue, you have to leave it overnight for it to dry. It's going to keep lifting up, so that's why it's best to just apply it straight away and then just put on a lot of pressure onto it. So yeah, this is all that I'm doing. Just filling up all the spaces. This one was pretty easy. Quick and easy. Yeah. This took probably, I would say, a good hour or the whole night. I don't know. I kept on doing other stuff, so yeah. And the glue kept on sticking onto my skin. But I eventually figured out how to do it properly. Yeah. There's nothing else to say. Like, this is the whole video of me just gluing on candy wrappers onto the dress. That's it. Oh, and I actually used my scissors because I've been planning this video for like 2 months. So what I do is anytime I was opening up the candy wrappers, all I use is the scissors and then just carefully peel it down the back so that I can glue it on perfectly onto the skirt. So that's why you guys don't see like a lot of rips, a lot of tears. That it looks pretty good. And just kept it in a little box for a while. Just keep on packing it up, a lot of it, until I had enough. Well, I feel like it was enough for it to finish the dress. I don't know how much exactly I used. I didn't count it, but I'm thinking, probably 30 candy wrappers. Probably 30 or 40. I don't think it was more than that, but yeah. That's all I'm doing. And this, dun 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 dun, is the final product. I created the look exactly how she did with a black turtleneck turtleneck top and some black leggings, and that was it. Quick and easy. And I did my hair up in like a cute little bun, like how she had hers. And she only had it on the front, so I only did the front. I didn't do the back or anything like that. So yeah, that's how it looks. It looks pretty good. Well, this is the end of the video. I've been rambling on and on, but I hope you guys do like this video. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next Halloween DIY. I think this is like the first week of October, so we have a lot of looks to be going through. Make sure you guys comment down below what you guys would like to see in any of my other videos, because I do go through my comment section. Yeah. Bye bye. Mwah, 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 mwah.